The Lord doesn't call the qualified people that are ready and prepared. He calls those whose hearts are willing and open. Our hearts have always been set on loving God, His people, His church. During the pandemic of 2020, the church got a larger vision to build a bigger sanctuary to accommodate more people.
There must be something that should be left, not just for the people that we have right now, but for the people that will be what? Ibang panganak pa. Yung building na itatayo natin, it is an inheritance that will be left from your children's children. At yung mga bata na yan, ang magiging leader din ng simbahan ito. Ito ay pag-aari ng Panginoon. Amen?
With all desperation and faith, we move forward to the vision He has given us. And the Lord made all things possible, in His ways, in His time. Driven by purpose, fueled by prayer and worship, we follow His leading to build the church hand in hand, together as one. The church began the construction of the legacy building with limited resources, but it didn't limit our passion to fulfill this God-given assignment, because we believe that if there's vision, there's provision. Indeed, along the journey, the Lord did not allow us to walk empty-handed. We were carried through and through by His abundant grace, favor, and faithfulness. Time after time, provision never stops. Construction continues. Every step has the Lord's hand clearly visible. Until the vision that was once planned and prayed for begins to turn into reality. Same month last year, the Legacy Building was formally opened during our annual Thanksgiving celebration. Joined by more than 500 individuals from different locations, this stirs up our hearts as the Lord clearly shows us that this church is meant for bigger and greater. A church built for leadership, excellence, grace, anonymity, commitment, all for Yahweh.
is Word of Life for all nations, a church, a family, and always be a